Welcome to the AFS workshop, Social Security. Get it before it's gone? My name is Jason Dahl, and I am a certified financial planner with AFS. And our goal today is to help you understand the complex world of Social Security and to give you the tools to make a wise selection when it comes time for you to start your plan. Ultimately, Social Security can be an incredibly valuable asset when planning your financial future and retirement. All right, let's get started. I would first like to introduce you to the lovely Miss Mae Fuller. Ida Mae was the first beneficiary of Social Security. She received check number 0000001 for $22.54 back in 1940. Now, does anyone know what the Social Security full retirement age was for Miss Fuller? And for extra credit, what her life expectancy was? Well, let me tell you. Full retirement age was 65. And life expectancy, well, that's a little bit of a trick question. At birth, it was 62. But for Miss Fuller, at her age 65 in 1940, it was 79. So, the most common question asked about Social Security is, will it be around for me when I file? And the rationale for why this question gets asked is due to the fact that all of us live much longer than the first Social Security recipients, like Miss Ida Mae. But, despite the reports that seem to come out every week that question the stability and well-being of Social Security, I strongly believe, in fact our whole team at AFS strongly believe, that Social Security will continue to be an important part of everyone's retirement, including my own. Now, will there be changes to the system? Yes, that's a safe bet, but it's too popular and too successful of a program to just go away. So some of the legislative changes that are being considered include pushing back the age of eligibility, increasing the payroll tax limit, or reducing the annual cost of living adjustment, also known as the COLA. Now, the second most asked question surrounding Social Security is, when do most people start collecting? Most people actually file early, and as a result of filing prior to their full retirement age, that's what's considered early, their benefits are permanently reduced. In fact, 71% of those collecting Social Security are receiving reduced benefits. And the main reason people collect early is that they need the money. For most retirees, Social Security is their only source of inflation-adjusted, guaranteed income that they cannot outlive. Therefore, it is an extremely valuable retirement asset for all of us. So, now that we have a few questions answered, let's talk for a moment about how you qualify for Social Security. First, you need 40 credits to qualify, and in 2018, one credit is recorded for every $1,320 you earn, with a maximum of 4 credits earned per year. Thus, you need to work 10 years to qualify. And the credits you earn remain on your Social Security record, even if you change jobs or have no earnings for a while. Now, your benefit amount is calculated based on your highest 35 years of earnings. And your full benefit amount is based on a concept called your primary insurance amount, or PIA. Now, your PIA is the amount you are entitled to once you reach your full retirement age, which under current law is somewhere between age 66 and 67, depending on when you were born. Now, if you wait until full retirement age to claim benefits, you can collect your full unreduced benefit and avoid losing benefits to the earnings cap restriction. And to a limited extent, some of you may also have the ability to exercise one of the remaining creative claiming strategies. As you can see on this chart, if you were to elect benefits at the earliest possible age of 62, then your benefit amount will be permanently reduced by 25%. Now, that reduction is 30% for anyone with a full retirement age of 67. Also, if you delay beyond your full retirement age, then you receive what are called delayed retirement credits, equal to 8% annually up to age 70. Also, if you file early, as in any time prior to your full retirement age, then your benefit will be further reduced if your income from work exceeds certain limits. So far, we have primarily been discussing Social Security benefits based on your own work record. Now, let's discuss potential benefits based on a spouse or ex-spouse's work record. So, filing for Social Security benefits based on a spouse, those benefits are an amount equal to half of the spouse's full retirement age benefit. Spouses, of course, are defined by the federal government and are eligible if they've been married at least 1 year. And you may file for spousal benefits once your spouse has elected their benefits and you can claim any time between age 62 and your full retirement age. So if you file early, your benefit will be reduced, and there's no delayed retirement credits for waiting past your full retirement age. So similarly, you can file benefits based on an ex-spouse's work record. So if you are divorced, but your marriage lasted at least 10 years, you can receive benefits on your ex-spouse's record once they reach age 62, whether or not they've remarried or whether or not they've claimed benefits. You have to be unmarried, at least age 62, and have been divorced for at least 2 years, and your ex is entitled to benefits. Now, your benefit is 1/2 of your ex's full retirement amount if you start at your full retirement age. All right, now if you get remarried, then you will no longer be eligible for your ex-spouse's benefit. You will now be eligible for your new spouse's benefits, so don't forget to compare Social Security benefits while you're still dating. All right. Now, you may also qualify for a benefit as a survivor. So let's talk about that for a moment. The survivor will receive the greater of their own benefit or their deceased spouse's benefit. You don't get both. You get the higher of the two. And you qualify for a survivor benefit if you were married at the time of death and were married for at least 9 months. Now, you can claim a reduced survivor benefit as early as age 60. It's a little different than all the other benefits. Or you can wait until your full retirement age for the full benefit amount. Now, there are no delayed retirement credits beyond full retirement age, again, for survivor benefits. So, is Social Security enough to live off of in retirement? Well, the short answer is, generally speaking, no. While it will depend on your lifestyle in retirement, on average, Social Security only replaces 30 to 60% of your income in retirement. So if you were a higher income earner, Social Security will only cover a small fraction of your needed income in retirement. Quick claiming strategies. Let's talk about what happened to file and suspend and the restricted application. So the first one is easy. File and suspend is done. It no longer exists. However, if you were born before January 2nd, 1954, or in other words, you attained age 62 by January 2nd of 2016, then you may still be able to file a restricted application when you reach your full retirement age. So, Social Security is an extremely valuable asset, and you shouldn't opt into it without really thinking about the ramifications. When you're ready to apply, I encourage you to go to the Social Security website, ssa.gov, to look up your work history and benefit information. Even if you're not ready to apply, I encourage you to do that to become familiar with what your future benefits may look like. Lastly, I hope this has helped you feel more comfortable and confident when it comes time for you to claim your Social Security benefits, or maybe if you have a loved one who's thinking about filing for benefits. Thanks, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.